2 years ago, we gave you the WT2 Plus, the best-selling real-time translation device on Amazon. Now we're back with the WT2 Edge. It's the world's first bidirectional translation earbud, offering you real-time, simultaneous translations that make your communication natural, all without an interpreter. The TIMEKETTLE allows for two-way, real-time communication with anyone, from anywhere. No more awkward pauses while you wait for translations, and no more waiting your turn to speak. The TIMEKETTLE is ready to translate when you're ready to talk. The Edge offers directional voice recognition and smart noise-canceling technology, so it picks up your voice clearly while ignoring other sounds and voices around you. With over 40 languages and 93 dialects, the Edge will unlock the world around you. With 15 servers worldwide, the translation speed can be as rapid as half a second. Powered by 6 of the top translation engines, including our own language AI, to boost translation accuracy up to 95%. Have something to say in a meeting? Don't hold back. Touch mode is the ideal option for multi-person meetings. Just tap the earbud and you're in control. No internet? No problem. 7 of the widely spoken languages are stored offline and ready to go. Need translation on the run? Just turn on speaker mode and use your phone to translate for anyone, from taxi drivers to bartenders. So many of us work from home these days. Our group chat supports up to 30 people speaking in their own languages around the world.
Alright, bye.
The Edge even supports taking meeting notes. When the meeting's over, send your translated meeting minutes to everyone with the push of a button. Smaller than our last gen and almost twice as light. Plus the secure fit design, which means they'll stay put, even when you're on the move.
La communication est connexion.
La comunicazione ci unisce.
Общение подключено. 沟通及连接.
Спілкування об'єднує.
Communication is connection.
Steuermanagement.
Break down the language barrier with the TIMEKETTLE WT2 Edge.
VogDuo, the leading Apple accessory brand. Introducing the VogDuo handmade iPhone 12 leather stand and the VogDuo AirPods Pro leather case. They're the ultimate companions for your favorite Apple products. The iPhone 12 leather stand is foldable and lightweight for portability. It keeps your accessories organized for both indoor and outdoor activities. The stand is compatible with iPhone devices 6 and up. Now you can watch your favorite movies or TV shows while sipping your latte. The AirPods Pro leather case is the only accessory you need to keep those tiny Apple AirPods safe and secure. You will never have to dig through the bag or the room before rushing out again. You can even attach it to your bag or your jeans with the belt loop or detachable keychain. Our Apple accessories look great anywhere. With delicate craftsmanship, they gracefully make your lifestyle neat and classy. Both accessories come in a range of colors. If we meet our stretch goals, we'll create some even more colorful options. VogDuo is an established brand that has sold hundreds of thousands of products and has a 5-star Amazon rating. We're one of the few brands making Italian genuine leather accessories for Apple devices. So grab your iPhone stand or AirPods Pro case today.